Welcome back to tenorshare. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily backup and restore your WhatsApp using iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. Whether you're switching phones or just want to keep your chats safe, this step-by-step guide will help you backup and restore your WhatsApp data quickly and securely. Let's get started. After install the software, connect your phone to your computer. Then open iCareFone Transfer. Select WhatsApp. Now let's select Backup. Then click Backup Now to do a local backup on your computer. It will back up your WhatsApp quickly. If you have lots of data, it might take a little bit longer. When it's done, then you can see all your backup files here. And you can view the data on your computer. If you do a new backup next time, the earlier backup will also be listed here. It will not automatically delete it, and you can choose to restore it easily. No need to reinstall WhatsApp or erase your phone. Now let's try to restore this backup on a different phone. Just choose the backup you want and select Restore to iOS. Then click Restore Now. If you have data on this new iPhone, you can also back it up. If not, you can restore it now. Then your phone will restart, then restore the backup on WhatsApp. All you have to do is to log in your account again. Remember to skip the iCloud backup. Now all the data you backed up before will be restored. It's that easy to do. And since the data was backed up on your computer, it will not disappear and will be more privacy-friendly. Okay, I hope this video helped you solve your issue. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.